Class 10.
Good morning.
Okay. So today we will do science experiments. Okay, of our science book. First of all, I will explain you all the components of science lab. Okay, that we will going to use. Fine. So this is test tube stand. Okay, in which we have kept test tubes. Okay, these are test tubes. Fine, in which we will perform experiment. And then we have one, because it is in the shape of conical. So it is conical flask, and this is container. Okay, in which we will take the sample. Okay, and this is cylindrical. Okay, and we have different types of acid. In this bottle we have nitric acid. This is an HNO3. Okay, so this is nitric acid, HNO3. In this bottle we have, I think it's sulfuric acid. Okay, H2SO4. Okay, and in this bottle we have hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Okay, these three acids are in the concentrated form, means they are pure. Okay, if we want to make it diluted, then what we have to add in it? Water. Okay, we will add water to it, and these acid will then convert into diluted acid. Fine. Okay, we also have various types of salt in our lab. That is, in this we have ferrous sulfate. It is of green color. Okay. Next, it is sodium sulfate. That is Na2SO4. Okay. This is calcium oxide. In this, that is CaO, calcium oxide. This is sodium chloride, NaCl. This is barium chloride. The formula is BaCl2. Okay. Next is we have cupric sulfate, that is copper sulfate. It is of blue color, CuSO4. We will perform experiment, then I will show you the color and how it reacts. Okay. And in this we have sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3. Okay. So almost we have all types of salt with us. Fine. Next, when we will perform the acid and base chapter reaction, we have phenolphthalein. This is phenolphthalein. I hope you have studied about it. Okay, this is a chemical indicator. Yes, because it is generated in lab. Okay, and this is methyl orange. You can see the color of this bottle is orange. We will perform experiment and learn more about it. Next, we have some papers. This is pH paper. As you can see, this is pH paper, and in the starting the scale is given. Okay, according to the value of the color, we can calculate its pH value. Next, we have red litmus paper. It is natural indicator because it obtained from the lichen plant. Okay, so it is natural indicator, which is red litmus paper because it is of red color. Okay. Next, we have blue litmus paper. Okay, so this is of blue color, you can see. So it is blue litmus paper. Fine. Next, this, what is this? It is spatula. Okay, spoon shape. We take the salt from the container and then we will perform the experiment with the help of spatula. Okay, and this is test tube holder. Okay, we will place test tube like this. Okay, to perform the experiment. Okay, so that's it. Now we will start doing our experiment. We will learn about chemical reaction. Okay, what is chemical reaction? The process in which two reactants react with each other and the product will form. It is known as chemical reaction. Okay, So what we will going to do, we have taken test tube. This is test tube holder. We take the sulfuric acid into it. Then we will place zinc granules. Okay. Then we will see that hydrogen gas will come out from it. Okay. Okay, so this is sulfuric acid H2SO4. Fine. Now we will place zinc. See, you can see hydrogen gas. Now you can see. Yes. See. Please zoom. You can see this is hydrogen gas. So what is happening inside the test tube? We have taken the acid. Okay, acid react with the zinc metal and the hydrogen gas is liberated, as you can see. So there are two reactants, that is zinc and the sulfuric acid. Okay, they react with each other and the ZnSO4, that is zinc sulfate, will form and it will settle down in the test tube and the hydrogen gas will come out from it. Okay, and also if you touch this test tube, it will become hot. Okay, so can you name the reaction in which the test tube become hot? Right, it is exothermic reaction, the reaction in which the heat comes out from the test tube. Okay, taken, this is FeSO4. Okay, it is of green color. So we will put FeSO4 into this test tube. Okay, and then we will start heating it. Okay, because it is decomposition reaction. Okay, this reaction is known as decomposition reaction, in which the FeSO4 will break up into Fe2O3 ferrous oxide, SO2 sulfur dioxide, SO3 sulfur trioxide gas. Okay, in this reaction we have to heat it, then it will happen. Okay, please stop. Record. Please record. Take a photo also. You can see we heat ferrous sulfate FeSO4 and .7H2O, that is water molecule, it start heating. Okay, and the gas which will come out, it is sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, that is SO2 and SO3. Okay, and Fe2O3, that is ferrous oxide, will be in this test tube. Okay, Fe2O3 will settle down. You can see the bubbles.
Yes.
This gas is sulfur dioxide gas and sulfur trioxide gas. Fine. When you heat it more, Radhe and you please beside. You can smell is coming. It is a different smell. Yes. So this smell is sulfur dioxide smell. You can smell everywhere. Smell is coming now. So this is sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, SO2 and SO3. It spread in the room. So yeah. So are you enjoying? Yes. Do you got to know these acids? This is copper sulfate. Now we are going to do reaction, that is displacement reaction, in which we have taken copper sulfate in the spatula, and the next we will take the zinc. Okay, then what will happen, as zinc is more reactive than copper, zinc will replace copper from its sulfate and the final product will be zinc sulfate and the copper will be separated out. Please zoom it out. Everyone see. Now observe it carefully. You can see the reaction starts. So what is happening inside the test tube? The zinc is reacting with the copper sulfate. Zinc is replacing the sulfate ion of copper, and it will settle down with its sulfate and form zinc sulfate, and the copper will be separated out. As you can see the brown color copper, you can see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please see it again from this side. You can see a brown color layer. This is copper. The color of copper is brown, tamba. You can see here. So the copper will separate out. Okay? Please stop. Acid, base and salt. Okay, so we have 3 test tubes in which I have taken water in one test tube. In another test tube we have base, that is sodium hydroxide NaOH, and in the third test tube we have acid HCl. Okay, as you can see in these 3 test tubes the color is same. The color is same now. Now how we will going to identify like in which test tube there is acid, base or water. So with the help of our natural indicator, that is litmus paper and then pH paper, and then the synthetic indicator, we have phenolphthalein and methyl orange. We will do experiment and then we can confirm that in which test tube there is acid, base and water. So let's start. Okay, please stop. Okay, so this is red litmus paper. Okay, and this is blue litmus paper we have, and this is pH paper. Okay, so let's take one red litmus paper. Okay, this is red in color. Can you tell me if I dip this paper into base, then the color will change into blue. Blue. Red litmus will change into blue if I put it into base. So please see, please zoom it out again. Now see, can you see the blue color? Now see, blue color?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it confirmed that in this test tube there is base. Yeah. Now with the help of same litmus paper, we will do another thing. Let me hold it. Okay. Now if I dip into acid, then I think no color will change. Okay. Please see. Has the color changed? No, it is red in color. So it confirmed that when we add red litmus paper into base, then it changed into blue. And when we add it into acid, then the color will not change. It remains red. Okay. Now, if we put this red litmus paper into water, can you tell me anything happens? No, because water is neutral. So this is water. Yes. So let's confirm. See, nothing happened. Nothing happened. So do you get to know the role of litmus paper, red litmus? Okay. Now just let's perform an experiment with the blue litmus paper. This is blue litmus paper. Yes. Now if I dip blue litmus paper into acid, it converts into red. Okay, let's confirm it. So let's see what is this.
Red.
This is red in color.
Yes.
Yes. So it's confirmed that in this test tube, what is this? Acid.
Acid.
Okay.
Yes.
Now if I dip this into water, then nothing will happen because water is neutral.
एडिटर ही कहते हैं ऐसे
Please see.
ओके
Nothing will happen. Okay? Just blue litmus paper into base, then it will remain blue. See. Blue color. See. It is blue in color. Okay? Now let's perform the same experiment with the help of pH paper. So pH paper is yellow in color. Okay? So let's take the pH paper.
येलो
Okay, this is yellow in color. Now let's perform the same experiment. Let's see what is this. I don't know. Let me fold. Now just see. Let's see what is in this test tube. I think nothing happened. Can you observe some change? No. So this is water.
Okay.
This is water. Because nothing happened. See, pH paper same. So this is water. Let's see what is this. Oh, the color changed.
It means it's acid.
What is this? What is this? Base. And can you see the color is so dark? So it is strong base. Yes?
Okay.
See. Nice. Next, put into acid and let's see what will happen. Can you see the red color?
यस
See. So it confirms that pH paper indicates whether the chemical in this test tube is acid, base or water. Fine. Please stop. So this is methyl orange. Okay. Please see the color. Blood red color. Orange basically. Okay. Methyl orange. This chemical is methyl orange.
मिथाइल ऑरेंज
Fine. Now we will add few droplets of methyl orange in acid and then it will change into red color. Fine. And after that we will put few droplets in base and the color will change. Let's observe. So this is acid. Now see. Does the color change? See. Yes, this is orange color. See, and this is red color. There is difference in the color. So this is acid. So methyl orange when dipped into acid, then it convert into red color. And when the methyl orange is put into base, now please see what will happen. Nothing happen. Orange color na same, so nothing happen. And when we will put into water, then let's see what happen. Same color na, same color of methyl orange. So what we have learned, that when methyl orange is added into acid, then the color will change into red. Okay, and otherwise the color will not change. Okay. Now let's perform the experiment with phenolphthalein. Okay, please observe. Everyone, please see here. See, the color of phenolphthalein is white. See, you can see. Now see the experiment. When I add the droplets of phenolphthalein into acid, then no color will change. Okay, but when I add this into base, it will change into pink color. This white color will change into pink color. Let's see. See, this is base. This is white color phenolphthalein. Please zoom it out and see everyone. The color change.
रेड
Yes.
यस
It confirm it is what is this? Base.
बेस
Now let's do the same experiment with acid. Nothing will happen. You can see. See the color of this phenolphthalein. See everyone. White color. See. Nothing happen. See.
Okay.
Nothing happen. Colorless. With water, same thing happen. See. Nothing will happen with water also. Okay. So you can see the color of test tube. Okay, please stop. Now the next reaction is acid and base reaction. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Okay, in which we will take acid HCl and base NaOH. So what will happen? The HCl will give H plus ions. Okay, HCl will give H plus and the NaOH base will give OH minus ions. Okay, then what will happen? The H plus of acid and the OH minus of base will combine. Okay, then H plus OH minus will become H2O, water. Okay, and the Cl of HCl and the Na of NaOH will combine and make NaCl. That is sodium chloride salt. So in this reaction of acid and base, when we will mix these two together, then the salt will form and the water will form. Okay, so let's perform the experiment. I have taken the base into this container, that is NaOH. Now let's see what will happen when I add acid to it. Please observe everyone carefully. Can you see something? Can you see? Yes?
Yes.
See. Can you see? Yes? So, the water will form and what other thing is formed? Salt. And everyone please touch. Please touch. Please touch everyone. It is hot. Yes? Everyone please touch one by one. It become hot. Yes? This is exothermic reaction. Exo means heat will come out. Okay? And in FeSO4 reaction, what we have done? We have given the heat. So it is endothermic reaction. Please stretch it out from base. Yes. Yeah? It become hot?
Yeah.
Yes. What is this? Zinc. Okay? So I will place this zinc into water. Okay? Then what will happen? The zinc react with water and it will form ZnOH2, that is zinc hydroxide. Okay, and the hydrogen gas will come out from it. Okay, जिंक ने रिएक्ट किया वाटर के साथ, जिंक हाइड्रोक्साइड बनेगा ZnOH2 और जो हाइड्रोजन गैस है इट विल कम आउट. फाइन, प्लीज स्टॉप.
सही है ना.
Boys, Sumit. will do physics experiment of light chapter. Okay, so I have convex lens in my hand. What I will going to do, this window door will act as a screen for me. Okay, and this window grill will act as an object. So what I will going to do, the sun rays will focus on this convex lens. Then what I can see, that the image of this grill with the on the screen. Okay, so I have to see at which point the correct image of the grill will be on the screen. Please focus here on the window. So you can see. Okay. So at this point the correct image is formed. Okay, so what we will going to do now, we will measure the length of the lens from the screen and we will get our focal length. Okay, please stop. So our next experiment is for splitting of light, that is known as dispersion of light, in which white light fall on the one surface of the prism, and as you can see on the screen, it will break up into 7 colors. Okay, so this phenomena is known as dispersion of light. Okay, please stop. Ohm's law, okay, that you have studied in your electricity chapter. So this is rheostat, okay, this is rheostat. What is the use of rheostat? With the help of rheostat, we can adjust the resistance, okay, by sliding it. Okay, this is our battery. So it is rechargeable dry cell. Okay, this is our ammeter. Please zoom it here. You can see the A written here. A is for ammeter. Okay, it measures the value of electric current and give the answer into ampere. Okay, this is our voltmeter. Please zoom it here. This is voltmeter. You can see V written here. Yes. So voltmeter measure the reading of voltage and give the value in volt. Okay, and please see here this wire. You can see this wire. Yes, this is the wire of which we have to calculate the resistance. Okay, so what we will going to do, first of all we will arrange this setup. So what I have done, this is our cell. Okay, so this is positive and this is negative of cell. So we connect the positive wire from the cell to the positive of ammeter. This red is of ammeter. Okay, this red is for positive ammeter connection. Okay. Next, the negative of battery is connected to the one part of the rheostat. Okay. Next, the another part of the rheostat is connected to the negative terminal of the voltmeter. Okay. Then the positive terminal of the voltmeter and the negative terminal of the ammeter are connected by using a wire. Okay, and this steel wire is the wire of which we have to calculate the resistance. Okay, so we have connected it across the voltmeter positive and negative terminal. Now what we will going to do, we will switch on this battery and then we will see the values will change as we will change the rheostat value. Okay, and when we will draw the graph, VI graph from the value of the voltmeter and ammeter, it will be of the straight line graph. Okay, which confirms that voltage, that is V, is directly proportional to I. Okay, electric current. So V equals to IR. So Ohm's law hence proved.